He's like, do you have any idea why it works? I'm like, no. He's like, when you can make the unconscious conscious, you're gonna be fucking dangerous. In the civil world, we call that rich. And of course, I'm a criminal defense lawyer, basically a public defender, maybe making $60,000 a year, struggling, always worried about money. And of course, I'm like, I want to be rich. I want to be. And so in hindsight, I realized he was manipulating me, but he was manipulating me for my own good. And so really the evolution is really about making, every day to strive further to make the unconscious conscious. Because when and really it's about relaxing. Because when we're relaxed, like we're all great storytellers until somebody says, tell a story and let me put a camera on you. And you're all nervous and thinking about, okay, how do I tell my story? Instead of like, where somebody's like, hey, what happened yesterday when, this person came up in front of you? Be like, man, this guy comes up to me and he's like, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what the f***, bro? And then you you imagine, because you see it in your mind. You're not thinking about, change my face to match the facial expression of the person I'm talking about. Yeah. Change my voice. We do all this unconsciously, except when somebody says, tell us a story. And so to become a great, the real goal is to make the unconscious conscious. I think it was Carl Jung who said, until we can make the unconscious conscious, we will call it fate and it will rule our lives. Something like that. And so that's what the training's all about, is consistently, to make the unconscious conscious, to, a process for everything.